Hello students, welcome back again. This time we're going to check clothing and expressions or phrases that you can tell to say you're wearing clothes, right? So let's get started, and you can repeat after me if you want to practice pronunciation. So this is a cap, right? So if you're wearing a cap, you're going to say I'm wearing a cap, right? Here we have a jacket. I'm wearing a jacket. Yo estoy usando. I'm wearing a jacket. A scarf. I'm wearing a scarf. I'm wearing a scarf. A sweater, like this one. I'm wearing a sweater, right? Are you wearing a sweater? Jeans, blue jeans. So I'm wearing jeans. I'm wearing jeans. Pajamas. I'm wearing pajamas. Good. So here we have a boy. What's he wearing? Can you tell me? What's he wearing? He is wearing a cap. He is wearing a scarf. He is wearing a sweater and jeans. He isn't wearing shoes. He is not wearing shoes. Look at his feet. No shoes over here. That's weird, right? Good job. Let's check one more person and we practice again. Here we have a girl. What's she wearing? Well, she's wearing a cap, a t-shirt, a cap, a t-shirt, a skirt, and she isn't wearing shoes again. She's not wearing shoes, right? She's wearing a cap, she's wearing a t-shirt, and she's wearing a skirt, but she isn't wearing shoes, right? Let's check or try more stuff. These are boots, right? My boots are brown. You can also say the color. También podemos hablar de los colores. These are leggings. My leggings are black. And these are shorts. My shorts are green. This is a shirt. My shirt is gray. Remember? Gray. This is a t-shirt. My t-shirt is orange. So, I'm going to tell you now your activity of the week. Good. So, here we have a boy and a girl, and they're wearing different stuff. So, they have numbers. Can you see them? This is what he says. I'm wearing a, and this is what she says. I'm wearing a. So each one of them has got numbers. Number 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's go one by one. It says, I'm wearing, number 1, a hat. Number 2, what's this? A jacket. Number 3, what are these? Do you remember? Trousers. And number 4, shoes, right? Shoes. Let's check about the girl. I'm wearing, number 5, a hat. Number 6, a t-shirt. Number 7, a skirt. Number 8, shoes, right? So once you complete that, you will be able to draw yourselves. Here you draw yourselves. Se dibujan ustedes mismos, right? Your hair, your clothes, your body, etc. And you're going to write what you are wearing. So I'm wearing shorts, maybe, I don't know. In my case, I'm wearing a sweater, a red sweater. I'm wearing black pants or black trousers, and I'm wearing brown shoes. See? And that's it. And I draw myself. Y me dibujo por ahí. You can do this in a printed sheet of paper or you can draw them yourself in your notebooks. Pueden hacerlo en sus cuadernos sin ningún problema. Recuerden que ustedes tienen que dibujarse. Good. That's it, guys. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoy the video. Hope you enjoy the activity and see you on next week. We see each other next week. I'm waiting for that. Take care. Bye-bye and thank you.